The Flip is now slimmer, stronger, bigger and more useful than ever. Let's take the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7's cover screen for example. 4.1-inch Super AMOLED panel, it already has plenty of customization and widgets, but unfold and go to settings, advanced features, labs, and you can use WhatsApp, Maps, YouTube, Netflix right from the cover screen. But the idea of the Samsung Flip and Fold lineup is to make a statement, not just be another phone. So Samsung gave it an armor aluminum frame that feels premium to hold, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for the cover screen and a tighter closing hinge for a satisfying snap. Volume controls and power buttons sit on the right side with the SIM tray on the left and a minimal looking speaker and USB port cut out at the bottom. I prefer the snappy side key mounted fingerprint sensor, but I really want Samsung to bring back the S10e fingerprint gesture where you could scroll down on the fingerprint sensor for notification shade and quick settings. It would be a superb feature for this big 6.9-inch screen. And now that we are at it, this is the unfolded Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7. Razor slim, barely any crease visible and a broader, proper flagship screen width. FHD plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate and good software level controls to tweak the screen. You will only feel the crease on your finger when scrolling it, but that is also a reminder that your phone can do this. I think flip phones are able to take the best selfies because of the cover screen. The Flip7 gets you a 50 megapixel main, 12MP ultrawide and a 10MP main screen camera. The flex hinge and cover screens unlock a lot of possibilities here. From the cover screen, you can use the main camera for 50MP selfies or ultrawide for group shots. And the results are pretty consistent and mostly good. Open the phone and press here to get a full preview if you're clicking someone else, and if you want to go full old school, fold half and enter camcorder mode with the smooth zoom slider. The Flip has flagship grade cameras, so you can take shots like this from a moving car or a sick slow-mo of the rain in dim overcast lighting. Quality-wise, main sensor mostly gives you crisp images and stable videos. Ultrawide has no warping and pretty consistent results with good exposure and contrast controls. And the 10MP main screen camera is also good for vlogging at 4K 60fps or as a high-quality webcam for meetings and video calls. So Samsung is now using its in-house Exynos 2500 for the Flip, while the Fold gets a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. This Exynos Snapdragon Jugalbandi could be seen in the S26 lineup too. Anyway, I digress. The Exynos 2500 is a 3nm chip, so it is power efficient and it is a deca-core chip with up to 320MP camera support and hardware accelerated ray tracing. And you see it when you use this phone for playing games on it or run demanding AI tasks like object removal. With 12GB RAM, Samsung is offering 256 and 512GB storage options, so multitasking is a breeze and app launches are blazing fast. BGMI at maxed out graphics is no problem and the benchmark scores are also solid considering the engineering challenges of a flip phone. Now the software front is handled by latest One UI on top of Android 16 out of the box. The redesigned widgets look really clean and good, and I find the Now bar to be one of my favorite widgets out there. Plus, you can use features like Dual Messenger to use two WhatsApp or Facebook accounts or modes and routines to prioritize and automate daily tasks. And to top it off, 7 years of security updates so you can use the Flip7 for a long time. I've come to expect a midday charging schedule from the flip phones that I've lately tested, but the Flip7 has a 4300 mAh battery, which doesn't sound like much, but combined with the 3nm chip and optimized One UI will easily get you through the day of moderate use, which includes some Netflix, office work, using cameras for a while and so on. And the 25-watt fast charging will juice it up in an hour, and you can also wirelessly charge this phone. So is this the Flip that you should put your money on? Samsung bet big on the Flip and Fold market for the past 7 generations, and they've taken steps to improve each and every one. And now this has taken the shape of a complete package with a polished IP-rated design, great cover and inner screens, flagship grade camera and processor, optimized interface and a battery that will last a full day in most use cases. So yes, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 is a good option for you if you want a tried and tested flip phone. And for the best of tech and everything tech, subscribe to Gadgets 360. My name is Manik Beri and I'll catch you in the next one.